This game is easy. Most importantly, it's fun. There's a balloon ahead. We can imagine Lily and Alice play this game. Lily has to reach the balloon by her hand. Finally, Lily stands here first. Alice orders her move forward physically. Alice says, Lily, Lily, put your left hand on the television. So she puts her left hand here. Put your right hand on the fork. Put your left foot on the bear. We use this slipper to be her foot. Okay. Put your right foot on the train. Put your left hand on the backpack. Okay, actually right now, Lily has the capability to reach the balloon directly, but Alice does not want that to happen. She says, Lily, move your right foot on the broom. Okay, Lily has the flexibility and ability to reach the balloon. Alice says, Lily, Lily, put your left hand on the balloon. So finally, Lily reaches this balloon. So this game is really fun. And every student can learn some new vocabulary. Most importantly, they are interested in this, you know. It's really fun. Everyone can work out simultaneously. They can learn and exercise at the meantime. You can try it with your kids, your students, even your friends. You can improve your English level together in this way. If there's more room, you can put them in a long line, and they can do a lot of workout at the meantime. Okay, guys, if you like this game, please give me a like. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye, everyone.